Okay, so week 2 of the Gregorian Lapel submission. So Shay's going to have me in side control this time. Last time on week 1 we looked at it from close guard and arm drag, getting up to turtle top, and then just basic concepts of the Gregorian, step over Gregorian or Superbian necktie really. So again, how do we get here from side control? So again, more than likely I'll be framing. As I bridge into Shay, I'm looking to win the underhook, and if I just shrimp into him from here, he's just going to flop me out. So when we're playing the side control escape system, we talked about how rather than just turning into them, I'm going to shrimp to get an angle, so I'm nearly in north-south bottom. So if Shay tries to flop me out, he would have to follow me, and now I'm coming up and winning my underhook. We're in our position. So again, I'm just going to do an elbow or a shoulder shove just to get Shay's hands to the mat. And now from there, I'm spinning around into the side right position, and we're back into this turtle top position. We're going to attack this step over Gregorian. So I want to keep my sternum between his shoulder blades. I'm going to open up the lapel. Again, this double swing. So I swing my arm up and I do it again. So I want to free the whole lapel. We talked about how I want to grip it right at the end, because if I pass it with any lapel showing, Shay can possibly grab the end of it. So we're here. Okay. So I turn the corner and bring my left hand over. Right comes under as if I'm going for the darce, and this is the problem with the move, with the technique. As I try to pass from my left to my right, Shay's right hand is grabbing it and maybe grabbing the lapel, and we're into a whole battle here. So the detail is, I don't pass from my left to my right. I physically put him in the front headlock position here, okay? Once I get him in this position, and my right hand has gripped my left fist, then I just rotate my hand and grab the lapel. So that's the position. Then I rotate my hand and I've switched. And again, he'll not even know I've done that. So once we get to this position, my right hand grabs my left, and now I just put him in the front headlock position. So Shay now is trying to fight the grip, or trying to fight the passover. It's going to be very difficult because I'm just hand to hand. Now I rotate my wrist, and I've made the switch over, and now my free left hand goes in his head, pushes his head down as I move back to get perpendicular. Switch to grab the belt, pull him forward to get his head even lower. So my left foot comes over his head. Then my right foot steps beside his left knee, and as I fall back onto my left side, I post in my left hand and the right foot comes over. And again, I'm stirruping, heels down. He wants to push my head off, so my left hand goes on my knee, and then I turn onto my right hip. And now from there it's just a leg extension, and I'm pulling on the lapel. Let's look at that again. So, from our position, whether I frames in, I'm going to bridge into Shay, win that underhook, and as I shrimp onto my side, I'm moving to north-south bottom. And just switch my legs, come up, win that underhook. I'm going to shove him off, and now I move to the side right position, okay? From there, opening up the lapel. Once I have that grip, okay, I'm moving to north-south, keeping my weight on his left shoulder. And now my left hand comes over, right comes under as if I'm going for a darce, and now I just get hand to hand. I don't do a grip switch. Once I'm there in that position and Shay's trying to stop me doing a passover, I rotate my wrist, grab the lapel, left hand goes on the head, pushes down, and then I move back perpendicular. Grab the belt, pull him forward, the left foot comes over. Once I have that snugness, my right foot steps beside his left knee. And now from there I sit back, swing my leg over. I don't want him pushing my leg off, so I push on the knee, and then I turn my hip. So I'm on the other side, and now it's just a leg press. We have the submission.